What is happening, guys? Mike here. Welcome back to the channel. Today we're doing another watch review looking at a timepiece from Forte and Foster. This is a brand out of the UK that launched in 2017, and it's one that I have covered here on the channel in a past video, so I encourage you to take a look at that. And I also encourage you to take a look at their site because they have a very cool backstory that you can find there if you're interested in looking at that and the rest of their lineup. But this is one of 3 new videos that I will be putting together looking at their watches, and we're starting today with the Forte watch, which is a 42mm stainless steel timepiece that features a Seiko NH35 automatic movement, sapphire crystal glass on the front and back, and a 10 ATM water resistance level. Just looking at the face of this watch specifically, it's very sleek in my opinion. It's got a very classy look to it, nothing too flashy and nothing too crazy, which in my opinion makes it very easy to pair things with it. This is personally the type of watches that I love to wear because, again, it's not over the top. It's got a somewhat minimalistic design, and it looks good in a t-shirt or in a casual environment, or you could even dress it up too, so you can wear it at the office or at home or even out to dinner. Now, of course, I'm not making any claims like this is the best watch out there or this is the top of the line comparable to Rolex watch. I'm just saying that this type of look and design is one that I tend to gravitate toward for those specific reasons. Speaking specifically about this watch though, I do like the actual features that this watch has, like the stainless steel band, for example. It's very comfortable to wear, and again, it looks great. And I also like the back of the watch here with the parts being visible. I think it just adds to the overall aesthetic that they got going on here. And I've been told several times that Seiko is one of the best watches you can get. I mean, I'm told to get one almost every time I feature a watch here on the channel, so I think it must say something good that the movements are made by Seiko, right? This watch here sells for $349 and can be found on the Forte and Foster site along with the other watches in this lineup. Once again, I will be featuring 2 others from this line as well, so be on the lookout for that. But that is it for this one for today. Thank you so much for stopping by and checking this out with me. If you'd be so kind as to drop me a like and subscribe to the channel, I'd really appreciate it. If you haven't done so already, that's a huge help to me. Take it easy. I'll see you guys next time.